Welcome back. Let's begin with the fourth unit of GK, जिसका नाम है Sounds of Animals, right? Sounds of Animals. So obviously animals, हम लोग animals के बारे में जानते हैं, right? और उन animals की हर एक animal की अपनी different sound होती है, right? So इस chapter में we are going to study about the various sounds of the various animals, right? So as you can see, here is an image of a lion. यहाँ पे एक lion दिया हुआ है and the lion says, "Roar! I am the king of the jungle." We all know कि शेर जो है वो roar करता है and I am the king of the jungle, और lion जो है वो जंगल का king भी कहलाता है, right? Next comes the image of a snake. अब हमें पता है snake जो है उसकी कोई sound नहीं होती है, just it makes a little sound of hiss, right? और यहाँ पर एक snake जो है वो क्या कह रहा है? I am poisonous. Obviously we know कि जो snake है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा poisonous होता है. Poisonous means जहरीला, right? Next comes the image of a rat. So rat, speak, I love cheese. Now we know कि माउस भी जो है वो एक ज़्यादा आवाज़ नहीं करता है. इट इज़ द इमेज ऑफ अ रैट और माउस, वो भी ज़्यादा आवाज़ नहीं करता है, बट इट सेज आई लव चीज़. एंड वी ऑल नो कि माउस जो है, रैट जो है, उसको चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद होती है, राइट? सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द एक्सरसाइज. Here we are given with an exercise which says match each animal with their sound it makes. So हमें यहाँ पर first column में जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं we are given with some names of the animals, right? और next column में we are given with the sounds of those animals. Yes? Correct? So as we have owl here, owl. So we all know that owl जो है it hoots, right? So 1 number is the correct answer for option C. Next comes a duck. Duck, we all know a duck quacks, so duck becomes the correct answer for second one. Third, horse. We all know that a horse neighs. Horse जो है वो नी की आवाज निकालता है. Yes. Next comes a monkey. We all know कि monkey जो है वो chatter करता है, right? Monkey chatters. Next, a cow. Cow always moves, right? Cow जो है वो move की sound निकालती है, so hence move becomes the correct sound for a cow. Next comes a bird. We all know that a bird chirps, right? So option B, chirps, becomes the correct answer for the birds, right? So I hope you all are clear with the animals and their sounds. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot.